Today we're going to talk about 8 superfoods that are great for your kidneys. These foods help your kidneys work their best and keep you healthy. They're packed with nutrients that support your body in a big way. Your kidneys are like filters in your body. They work all day, every day to clean your blood by removing waste and extra fluids. They process about 200 quarts of blood daily. That's a lot. They also balance water and minerals like potassium and sodium. Taking care of your kidneys is important, and eating the right foods helps them stay strong. In this video, we'll show you 8 amazing foods that keep your kidneys happy. Here are the 8 foods that are really good for your kidneys: olive oil, cabbage, fatty fish like salmon, apples, cauliflower, garlic, red bell peppers, and blueberries. Each one has special benefits. Olive oil and garlic reduce inflammation, which helps your kidneys not work too hard. Cabbage and red bell peppers are low in potassium, great for some diets. Fatty fish give you omega-3, good for your heart and kidneys. Apples have fiber, and blueberries are full of antioxidants. Next, we'll look at each food and explain why it's so helpful. Let's start with blueberries. These little berries are loaded with antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage, like superheroes for your body. This keeps your kidneys from working too hard. Blueberries also lower inflammation, which can stress your kidneys if it builds up. They help your heart too, and since your heart and kidneys team up, that's a win. Plus, they're low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. Perfect if you need to watch those minerals. Next, we have red bell peppers. These tasty veggies are great for your kidneys. They're low in potassium, which is good if you need to limit it. They're packed with vitamins like vitamin C for your immune system and vitamin A for your eyes and skin. Red bell peppers also help your body get rid of toxins, so your kidneys don't have to do all the work. Now let's talk about garlic. It's more than just a flavor for food, it's a kidney helper. Garlic reduces inflammation, which is key because too much inflammation tires out your kidneys. It boosts your immune system, fighting off infections that could hurt your kidneys. Garlic improves blood flow, getting oxygen and nutrients to your kidneys. It has antioxidants too, protecting your cells. Here's a tip. Crush or chop garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This releases allicin, a compound that makes garlic even healthier. Cauliflower is another great choice for your kidneys. You can eat it raw, steamed, roasted, or mashed. It's super versatile. It's low in potassium, which is perfect if you need to cut back. Cauliflower has fiber for digestion and gut health. It's rich in vitamins like vitamin C for immunity and vitamin K for blood clotting. It also helps remove toxins, easing your kidneys' job. Try this. Pulse it in a food processor to make cauliflower rice. It's a kidney-friendly swap for regular rice. Apples are delicious and awesome for your kidneys. They're high in fiber, keeping your digestion smooth and blood sugar steady. Apples act like a natural cleaner, flushing out toxins so your kidneys get a break. They have antioxidants that fight off harmful stuff in your body, cutting inflammation. Apples support your heart, which helps your kidneys too. Eat the peel. It's where most of the good stuff, like antioxidants, hides. Just wash them well first. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, or sardines, are fantastic for your kidneys. They're full of omega-3 fatty acids, which lower inflammation all over your body. This takes stress off your kidneys. Omega-3s improve blood flow, making sure your kidneys get what they need. Eating fatty fish can also lower blood pressure, which keeps kidneys healthy. If your kidneys are weak, ask your doctor about portion sizes. Usually 2 to 3 servings a week is a solid plan. Cabbage is a simple veggie with big kidney benefits. It's very low in potassium, making it ideal if you need to watch that. Cabbage helps flush out toxins, lightening your kidneys' load. It's rich in antioxidants, protecting your cells and cutting inflammation. It also has vitamin C for your immune system. Lightly steam or saute it instead of boiling to keep more nutrients. Red cabbage has even more antioxidants, so try both. At the top of our list is olive oil. This healthy fat is amazing for your kidneys. It fights inflammation, reducing strain on your kidneys. Olive oil supports your organs, including kidneys, with good fats for your cells. It keeps your heart healthy, which helps your kidneys since they work together. It also aids your body's natural cleaning process. Pick extra virgin olive oil. It's less processed and better for you. Look for cold pressed on the label. Now let's see how to use these foods in meals. For breakfast, try a berry apple bowl. Oatmeal with blueberries and sliced apples, plus a drizzle of olive oil. It's got antioxidants and fiber to kick off your day. For lunch, make a rainbow salad with cabbage, red bell peppers, and cauliflower, dressed with olive oil and garlic. Add salmon if you want protein. For dinner, go for a fish plate. Baked salmon with garlic, roasted cauliflower with olive oil, and cabbage slaw with apple bits. These meals are tasty and kidney-friendly. Some foods can hurt your kidneys, so limit them. High sodium stuff like processed meats, canned soups, and fast food makes kidneys work harder and raises blood pressure. High potassium foods like bananas, oranges, and potatoes can be tough if your kidneys are weak. High phosphorus foods like milk, cheese, and colas can harm bones and blood vessels. Watch out for alcohol, caffeine, and sugar too. They can strain kidneys. Talk to your doctor for advice tailored to you. Food isn't everything. Lifestyle matters too. Drink enough water to help your kidneys clear out toxins. Keep blood sugar in check if you have diabetes, since high sugar hurts kidneys. Exercise like walking 30 minutes a day keeps blood pressure down and your heart strong. Quit smoking, it boosts kidney health. Check your blood pressure often, as high pressure damages kidneys. Manage stress with yoga or deep breathing. Get regular kidney checkups, especially if you're at risk. Here's how to add these foods to your life. Start small. Swap regular oil for olive oil this week. Tell friends and family your goals for support. Prep meals ahead like chopping cabbage on weekends. Track what you eat and how you feel in a journal. Swap out bad foods like bananas for apples. Work with your doctor to make sure it fits your needs. How do you know it's working? Check your blood pressure. Lower is better for kidneys. Look at urine protein and kidney function tests with your doctor. Watch for less swelling, more energy, and better sleep soon. Over time, you might see steady blood pressure and slower kidney problems. Keep a journal to track it all. Got questions? If you're on dialysis, these foods can work, but check portions with your dietitian. Organic isn't better for kidneys. Just eat these foods often. Allergic to one? Skip it and use the others. You might feel better in weeks, but kidney tests take months to show change. Whole foods beat supplements. Ask your doctor first. High potassium limits depend on your kidneys. Your doctor knows best. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know which kidney-friendly food you're excited to try. Thanks for learning about kidney health with us. Your kidneys work hard, so support them with food. Olive oil, fatty fish, and blueberries cut inflammation and help them function. Limit sodium, potassium, and phosphorus if your kidneys need it. Balance is key. Next steps? Start with one change, talk to your doctor, plan meals, and track progress. Your kidneys help you every day. Help them back.